What's up people, welcome to my YouTube channel Nusantara Flavour, the perfect food for you, easy to cook, simple but most importantly tastes delicious. Today we are going to cook something special which is Nasi Goreng, Indonesian version of fried rice. I'm choosing this menu for my first video as this food is originated from my country, my heritage, my culture. So without further ado, let us look at the ingredients. Okay, the first one and the most important ingredient, of course we need rice to cook Nasi Goreng. I recommend you guys follow Uncle Roger's suggestion for this one, using at least 1 day old rice. Make sure it's a bit dry so it forms the perfect Nasi Goreng. After that we got eggs, chicken, garlic, sweet soy sauce, salt, and some shallot. The amount of eggs are optional, but personally I prefer 2 for each portion. For the meat you can also use beef instead if you prefer it more, but for this video I'm using chicken meat. And the last one, which is the magic ingredient, I'm using Indofood Nasi Goreng seasoning pack. Not only to make the Nasi Goreng taste perfect, but also to make the cooking process much more easier. By the way, if you guys interested in purchasing these, the link here, and also I put it in the description below, so just check it out. Okay, let us start cooking. Since I'm an international student, I have limited resources. I don't have a wok, so instead I'm going to use these to cook my Nasi Goreng. First, turn on the stove. Put it at mid to high heat, and then add some oil. You can use vegetable oil, peanut oil, coconut oil. Just avoid using olive oil. Now the pan is hot enough. We put the garlic inside, all of them, and then add chicken inside. Put the chicken and the garlic together. Okay, now we wait. We cook them. We cook the chicken and the garlic first. You see it? Oh, it smells so good. The garlic smells so good. We wait until the chicken is half cooked. Okay, now the chicken is, I think it's half cooked. We can add some Indofood seasoning pack inside to make the chicken also taste a little bit tasteful. We stir it again. You see it? I think we should add more Indofood seasoning pack so the chicken can taste more tasteful. Okay? By the way, this seasoning pack can be used for 3 to 4 portions, but since we are cooking 2 portions, I guess we can add it to the chicken as well. Okay, now the chicken is cooked. We can add eggs inside. I'm gonna put 2 inside. Stir them together. Add some heat, I guess. Ooh, smells so good. See this, guys? We cook the chicken and the egg together. We wait until they are fully cooked before adding the rice. Now the chicken and the egg are cooked. You guys can see this. The chicken color, it's cooked already. And it's the time for us to add some rice inside. This is the rice. Just pour all of them inside. Okay, now you guys just need to break it up, break the rice. After breaking it, you guys can add this seasoning pack inside again, Indofood seasoning pack. Just pour all of them. And don't forget to add the sweet soy sauce. In Indonesia, we call this kecap manis. This is what made the nasi goreng an Indonesian nasi goreng. The color is a bit brownish if you compare with Chinese and other countries' nasi goreng. I think it's enough. Now we just need to break the rice and stir it again. Pretty simple. Make sure the brown color spread evenly across all the rice. Okay, now you guys can see it's cooked, and let us give it a try to make sure it tastes good. It's pretty good, but I think we should add some salt inside. Here it is. Okay, I think it's enough. Let's stir it again. Okay, I think it's now finished. Let's close the stove. Turn off the stove, I mean. And by the way, we still have 2 eggs, so we haven't finished yet. We are going to cook sunny side up egg. So now let us turn off the stove. Okay, it's on. Add some oil inside as well. Just a little bit. I think it's not enough. Just add a little more. Because we're going to cook 2. Spread the oil across the pan. And we need to wait until the pan is hot enough before start cooking. Okay, now the pan is hot. Let us add the egg inside. Don't forget to add some salt. This is the Indonesian version, sunny side up. You guys can say it's a little bit brownish, but it actually tastes good because it's smoky inside. Okay, I think it's cooked. Let's plate it. Okay, now let us plate the food. This is the plate that I'm gonna use. Put the nasi goreng inside. And then add some egg on the top of it. And don't forget, we have salads. The salads, just pour it on the top of the rice. Now it's finished. You guys can see it. Looks so appetizing, and the smell, oh my god. Smells so good. One of my favorite Indonesian cuisine and also my comfort food since I was a kid. Nasi goreng, rich, savory, slightly sweet taste, flavorful, perfect. There you have it, guys. This is my easy, simple fried rice recipe. Please comment below. Let me know how you guys think about my nasi goreng. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch my other video if you guys want to learn about Indonesian cuisine. And please check my website in the link description below if you guys want to learn more about Indonesian cuisine recipes. And lastly, please check Indofood websites if you guys want to purchase the seasoning pack. That's all. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.